American Defense News Channel. Here are the top 10 largest aircraft carriers in the world. Huge and modern aircraft carriers which can carry dozens of aircraft and are in service in the main armies of the world. These are the 10 biggest aircraft carriers in the world. Number 10. Chakri Narubet. It was Thailand's first aircraft carrier, having entered service in 1997. It was built in Spain and is based on the Principe de Asturias, a Spanish aircraft carrier. It has a length of 182 meters, a beam of 21.9 meters, and a draft of 6.2 meters. It has 44 horsepower and can reach a top speed of 26.4 knots. There are 6 planes and 6 helicopters in the fleet. It is currently the Royal Thai Navy's only operational aircraft carrier. Number 9. Adelaide L1. It's an Australian aircraft carrier that first saw action in 2015. It was made in Spain in part and finished in the United States. Its design is inspired by the first Spanish ship, Juan Carlos. It has a length of 230 meters, a width of 32 meters, and a draft of 6.9 meters. It has 30 horsepower and can reach a top speed of 21.5 knots. It can carry over 1,000 people and up to 24 aircraft and is currently in use by the Royal Australian Navy. Number 8. Juan Carlos I. It is a Spanish aircraft carrier that was commissioned in 2010. It was built in Spain and is the Spanish Navy's largest and heaviest ship. It is 231 meters in length, 32 meters in width, and 6.9 meters in the draft. It has 30 horsepower and can attain a top speed of 21.5 knots. 30 helicopters and 12 planes are on the way. She is presently serving in the Spanish Navy, assisting the Marines and carrying personnel when required. Number 7. Cavour. It is an Italian aircraft carrier that entered service in 2009. It has a length of 244 meters or 800 feet, a beam of 40 meters or 131 feet, and a draft of 7.5 meters or 24.6 feet. It has 118,000 horsepower and a top speed of 28 knots or 51 kilometers or 31 miles per hour. It is now in service with the Italian Navy. Number 6. Charles de Gaulle. It is a French aircraft carrier that entered service in 2000. It has a length of 261 meters or 860 feet, a beam of 64 meters or 210 feet, and a draft of 8.5 meters or 27 feet. It has 83,000 horsepower and can attain a top speed of 27 knots or 50 kilometers or 31 miles per hour. It can carry 1,900 passengers and more than 40 planes. She is currently serving in the French Navy, where she is involved in a variety of tasks. Number 5. Queen Elizabeth. It's a British aircraft carrier that first saw action in 2017. It has a length of 280 meters or 918 feet, a beam of 39 meters or 128 feet, and a draft of 11 meters or 36 feet. It has 108,000 horsepower and can attain a top speed of 32 knots or 59 kilometers or 36 miles per hour. It is now in service with the Royal Navy of the United Kingdom, where it is performing testing with F-35 fighter jets. Number 4. HMAS Vikramaditya. It is a Soviet-built aircraft carrier that entered service in India in 2013. It has a length of 283 meters or 928 feet, a beam of 51 meters or 167 feet, and a draft of 10 meters or 33 feet. It has 140,000 horsepower and a top speed of 32 knots or 59 kilometers or 36 miles per hour. It is now in service with the Indian Navy and transports 5 different types of aircraft. Number 3. Russian aircraft carrier Admiral Kuznetsov. It is a Soviet-built aircraft carrier that entered service in India in 2013. It has a length of 283 meters or 928 feet, a beam of 51 meters or 167 feet, and a draft of 10 meters or 33 feet. It has 140,000 horsepower and a top speed of 32 knots or 59 kilometers or 36 miles per hour. It is now in service with the Indian Navy and transports 5 different types of aircraft. Number 2. Shandong Aircraft Carrier. It is a Chinese aircraft carrier that entered service in 2019. Its design is based on the Russian aircraft carrier Kuznetsov, and it began production in 2013. It has a length of 315 meters or 1,033 feet, a beam of 73 meters or 239 feet, and a draft of 11 meters or 36 feet. It has a top speed of 31 knots or 57 kilometers or 35 miles per hour and can carry more than 40 aircraft. It is now in service with the Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy. Number 1. USS Gerald R. Ford. It is a U.S. aircraft carrier that was commissioned in 2017. It has a length of 337 meters or 1,105 feet, a beam of 41 meters or 134 feet, and a draft of 12 meters or 39 feet. It has 260,000 horsepower and can travel at speeds of over 30 knots or 55 kilometers or 35 miles per hour. It can accommodate approximately 4,000 people in 75 aircraft. It is now the world's largest and most modern aircraft carrier, serving in the United States Navy. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.